Like a time bomb set in motion, we knew that we were destined to explode. And if I had to pull you out of the wreckage, you know I'm never gonna let you go.
So for today's look, I'm going to be doing a colourful rainforest kind of look, and it's actually going to be called Rainforest Makeup because I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Famous by Moxley, and it's called Rainforest. That's probably really blurry, so you probably can't see it, and it's got these really nice greens and a purple in it, and I really wanted to do like a fun colourful kind of tutorial, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take an eye primer and just apply that to your lid, and then blend it out with your ring finger. The palette I'm going to be using is this one from Famous, and it's called Rainforest, which is the name of this tutorial. And the first colour I'm going to take is the light green one, and this is going on the inner third of our eye, so here, the inner corner, and under our lashes as well. Inner half of my eye, I'm going to take this dark green here. You also want it on the bottom of your lashes as well. The outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use the final colour in this palette, and this is this really nice deep purple here. Once again, I'm just going to use my finger to blend the purple in with the green. So you've got a nice kind of gradient effect going on. And then I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend out the top edge. For eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this black one from Avon, and I'm going to line both my top and bottom waterlines. Instead of using my felt tip liner, which I normally do, and you guys are probably fed up of seeing it, I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner from E.L.F. because I seriously need to get used to this thing. And I'm going to do a small wing. And then just line my lid. Well, that went well. I'm now just going to take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And then I'm going to apply some black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For cheeks, I'm going to take my favourite corally colour from MUA. Finally, for lips, I'm just going to be taking this nude lip gloss. Okay, so that was the tutorial. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And my giveaway is still running. You have one more week. It ends on the 28th, which is not this Friday but next Friday, depending on when this video goes up, because I'm currently struggling with the internet at the minute. It's the date is it today? I don't know what date we're on. This is bad. Hang on, it was 17th on Monday, wasn't it? It's the 19th today. So mixed up today, it's just like crazy. But yeah, so depending on when this video goes up, the giveaway will be ending on the 28th of June. So don't forget to enter if you haven't already. I hope you're all having a good day, and I shall see you all soon. Bye.
I knew this was hard to hold. Like a crash, the whole thing spun out.